Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial center. Did you apply for the 2023 census and yours is showing pending? Then this video is for you. If you apply for the 2023 census as a supervisor or enumerator and your application is still showing pending, then continue to watch this video. This video I want to use to show you how to get approved quickly. NPC application status pending is a question how to get approved quickly and very easy. For security reasons, I'm unable to mention all the steps used to what to do to get approved in this video, but I have explained how to get approved quickly in this video description. So click on the video description, you will see how I explained what to do in order for you to be approved. If you can't do it on your own, if you have tried and it's not working for you, use the comment section to complain to us, drop your details, and we will make it for you. We will get it approved for you before the training will commence. Even if the training have commenced and you are watching this video, drop your details in the comment section and we will help you to get it approved. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you are a user, comment and share this video so that those who their own is still showing pending will get approved so that they will participate in the forthcoming 2023 census. I'm still your friend, Emmalex Emmanuel. Have a nice day.